If you're interested in aqua fitness or recovering from an injury, you're going to want to check out this fantastic barbell, which is specifically designed to be used in swim spas or pools. It's great for an upper body workout and to help your core. So today I'm going to try this out in the swim spa and let's see how it goes. So here I have the Aqua Fitness barbell. Now I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to use this. Remember, I'm not a trainer. I am just giving you an overview of how I would use it. Starting with the bicep curls, as you would do at the gym. Great workout for the biceps there. I can actually also feel it in the triceps as well. Now remember, you can actually go as slow or as fast as you want to, so I'm just going to ramp it up a little bit and see how that feels. And that is tiring me out. That is a really good workout for the arms. And then just taking it a bit slow again. And then you can also do a rowing movement as well. This is great for the core. I can really feel that through my abdominal muscles. So if you're, regardless of whether you're into canoeing or kayaking, I can highly recommend this movement. I can feel it through my obliques and right through my core. So that's a really good workout. And of course through the arms as well. Now of course, if you want to up the ante, really go for it in your workout with extra resistance, you can turn the swim jets on in your swim spa. It's the great thing about these swim spas is that you can put the jets on at any time and take your workout up a notch or two. So that's an overview of the barbell. Remember that you can use this in many different ways. That's just a few different options. For more information or to check out our full range, head to our website.